I don't even know how to start these videos anymore. It's been that long. I know y'all can't see me, but I'm here chilling in my room, ready to talk about some cars. And this time I want to talk about Lamborghini Huracan replacement. We've had some spy shots for a while now. And yeah, I don't know anything about this car, so this is actually me fishing for a little information from you, the viewers, because a lot of you might know way more than I do these day and age. As some of you may know, the Huracan is coming to its 10th year in production, and it is about time to get that replacement. And we've seen a few shots of that car. Some people are saying it's going to be a V8 powered, and we don't know if it's going to be hybridized. I think that's how you say that word, or not, or if it's going to be a straight up naturally aspirated V8. So out goes the V10 in with the V8, and it's similar, if not the same V8 that is inside the Lamborghini Urus. And I haven't heard anything bad about that engine. I actually heard it was pretty good. I haven't heard anybody saying it's underpowered, and I'm pretty sure it's going to do better in a smaller vehicle that's probably going to be powered with a little bit of hybridization. Now, the cynical person in me would say that this is probably another specialized version of a Lamborghini sports car, but they did say that the last Huracan was going to be the last special variant. So this is probably going to be a new car. Now, when we're going to see it, now that's another story entirely because we don't know. Audi discontinued the R8, and what I'm hearing is they won't have a replacement for that car till around 2029, which means the likelihood of us seeing the Huracan replacement is around 26 or 27 because those cars are built on the same platform, and I expect that to continue into the future. And I'm cooking, trying to figure out what information I can fish from the R8 whole situation to figure out if this car is going to be an EV or not. And I haven't found anything. Now, hopefully, this V8 will be an excellent one that they plan on sticking in this car. If it's not, then we're probably going to have the same underpowered problems we had with the Audi R8 V8 version of that car. But like I was saying, this is really me just fishing for information from the people that know way more than I do, that can give me some information that I can relate to you guys, because, I know somebody out there knows what Lamborghini's planning, and I want to know too. Let me know in the comments if you have that information. And if you like these videos, like the video. If you like the channel, subscribe to the channel. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.